Hello friends, welcome to my channel Cooking with Nadeem. Once again I'm here with new recipe. So today I'm gonna show you how to make the vegetable sandwich. Vegetable sandwich is really also very healthy for everyone. All the vegetarian people can make easier at home. It's really very nice. So I show you what in sandwich, what ingredient we will be used. It's really very easy and very simple ingredient. So I will show you the ingredients. So guys, for this recipe I will be use the sandwich bread, tomato sauce, Thousand Island sauce, bit cheese. If you want to skip the cheese, you can skip, because this one is also dairy form. I will be use the cheese for me. So here I will use the cucumber, tomato, and then chopped cucumber and chopped onion also. And then here I got some broccoli I also chop ready. Here I got some onion, I will be use the onion slice. Here I got some mint leaves, I will be use for this recipe some mint leaves. Really it's very yummy and then very easy to make at home. So first of all we have to take the one piece of bread and then just take the Thousand Island sauce, just put. And then we have, I show you already, we have the chopped onion and chopped cucumber. So just put here. And can put broccoli, and have to use the mayonnaise. And just use mayonnaise, just put like this. Okay, so here I'll be use the cucumber. It's really very easy and very healthy sandwich to make at home. Some tomato, and then here I will be use this slice. Just put Thousand Island sauce, and here I'll use the cheese. Let's put the onion slice, mint leaves, and here I'll be use the tomato sauce. And then we have to put like this, and then our sandwich is ready. Now guys, we have to toast it, just only the bit toast this sandwich. Friends, you can see our sandwich is ready. It's really very yummy, very good, and then very good looking. All the vegetable inside, you can see all the mint leaf is really cucumber, onion, everything is really very yummy and then very good for health. So you must try this sandwich at home. So guys, today I show you how to make the vegetable sandwich. It's really very easy to make at home. So you must try and then give me the feedback also. Thank you so much. Take care. Take care yourself. Please subscribe my channel, comments and like also. Thank you so much. Bye bye.